In this video, I will show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to delete your YouTube channel permanently, what you're going to want to do first is open up a new internet browser, come across to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into the correct account and channel that you want to delete your YouTube channel for. You can check this by coming to the top right hand corner, clicking this profile icon here and seeing which channel you're currently logged into. Once you're logged into the correct channel, click onto your profile icon, and what you want to do on this menu is come and click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're in your studio, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, come down to the bottom and click onto settings. And from here, you want to come over to the menu on the left, click onto channel, and on this screen here, you want to come up to the top and click onto advanced settings. Then what you need to do is scroll down on this screen to all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see a link down here which says remove YouTube content. So what you need to do is give that a click. To continue, first you're going to have to verify that it's you, so you just need to put your password in. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to this screen where you can see two options available. So you can either hide your content or permanently delete your content. Of course, what you want to do is select the option to permanently delete your content. So give this a click and that's going to bring up some further information. What you need to do is tick to understand that the following will be permanently deleted, which includes comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs up on comments, your YouTube gift settings, and your search and watch history. Also, you need to tick this box here to confirm you want to delete any paid subscriptions that you own, which includes YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, and channel memberships. Of course, you will still have access until the end of your bidding cycle. To go ahead, get this confirmed and get your channel permanently deleted, come down to the bottom and click the blue delete my content button. To confirm, what you need to do is actually type your channel name into here. And once you've done that, you can click on to delete my content. So as you can see, it says your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but it can take up to a couple of days if you do have a lot of content. And that's it pretty much. That is how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.